Today, I'm cloning a 2025 Nissan Rogue. These are the keys, so we're gonna start the process. So the first step is press read. It's reading right there. That's the original key. Then you remove the original key, put it back. You have make sure it's still working. There it goes. It works. We already read. We're gonna try this time a used one. I haven't even unlocked this key. Let's see how it's gonna work. Oh my God, it says a lot of glue in here. So I'll remove it. And the next step will be placing it. You press right. You can see the blue light turn screen when it's done. And it's green now, so we're gonna remove it and test again. See if this has a fresh battery. So, okay, let's see. Yes, it does. So probably it's not gonna work until we sync it or